Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to demonstrate you a tutorial on how to make these hoop earrings and also these dangle earrings using different patterns of clay by mixing different kinds of clay. So before getting into the tutorial, let's look at the materials that are needed for this earrings. So I have taken 3 varieties of pliers. These are called the jump rings and these are called the eye pin and the head pin. I have cut these eye pin and head pin to smaller pieces to use them for the hoop earrings for the back. And also these are the cutters that I have taken that were available at my home. You can use any kind of round shaped cutters, and I have taken these two, and some super glue and the polymer clay. Let's get into the tutorial. So I have taken some baby pink and the royal pink. I'm going to mix these two in order to get some pattern. You can mix it however way you want. There is no certain rule or certain pattern that you need to follow. Just keep rolling like this. Always make sure to roll it as soft as you can. Only then you will be able to make it into different shapes. So because of the heat in between your hands, that gets softer and softer. So I just mix it. Something like this. I have already pre-made one more in the blue color ones by mixing white and blue. Now you got to just roll it down. Since I don't have a roller, I'm going to use something with a flat surface to roll it. Roll it as thick as you want, and also make sure that when you roll it, you have to have the jump rings get in when you pierce a hole in it. I'll show you the tutorial, like also the pattern, how to insert a jump ring. So when you flatten it, this is how the pattern looks like. Now you got to take any cutter, or I'm going to take a round shape one right now, and I'm just going to make, like I have flattened it enough to make 2 cuttings so I can use for the a pair of earrings. That's it, you're done. Just carefully pull it out. Now these patterns are ready. So let me show you the previously made one. So if you can see it closely, I have attached 2 jump rings and then this additional hoop. Now I'm going to do that part. So after you make these cuttings, now you have to bake them at 275 Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. So before baking it, always make sure to make a hole where you want to put the jump ring. Let me show you where I put it generally. So this is how I make the holes before I bake it. So I have, before starting the tutorial, I have already pre-made 2 of the cuttings, and then I have baked them. See, I have made a hole. Now I am going to use these jump rings and also the hoop to make these earrings. Okay, let me take two pliers that I am going to use to open up these jump rings. This is how you open it. I'm going to take one more jump ring and then open it. Something like this. So you can add as many jump rings as you want according to your preferable height, however long you want the earring to be. So I'm going to take 4 of these rings. Now I have all these 4 open right now. Now I'm going to put these ones onto it. So here I have taken a jump ring and I am trying to close the jump ring using the pliers. Just hold on one side and use another plier on the other side and close the ring back. So this is quite complicated to do this step. You can do it if you do it multiple times, it will get easy. So this is how you close it. Close the jump ring and add one more jump ring to it. So you can seal it this way by pressing the jump ring like this. That's it, it's sealed now. Add one more jump ring that I have previously opened. And to this, add the hoop, this hoop ring. Please check my description box for all the links that I have from where I have purchased. I'll share all the links in my description box. Please don't forget to check it out. That's it. The ring is closed. You just use the plier and just seal it. That's it. It's ready. And here's one more pair. Now I'm going to show you on how to make the hoop earrings. For that I have taken these eye pin and the head pin, cut them into, like I have taken this part and then cut them into half of this size, something like this. So once I make the hoop, I'll make a hole here and attach this eye pin to it by gluing it. So this is why we need these eye pins. Let's get into the tutorial. So here I have taken some blue and white clay. Now I'm going to roll it. As I mentioned, roll it in between your hands. Try to make it as even as you can. So this size is quite enough for one earring. So now I'm going to cut the edges. Something like this with the flat edges. Now I'm going to shape it like a C. That's it. So this is how you shape it, and just pierce a hole at one end. So we can insert this head pin once it is baked. So this is how you make a hole over here, and after baking you can insert that eye pin. So now I'm going to bake it for 275 Fahrenheit, as I said, for 15 minutes. So I have previously baked few of them. So here I have taken blue and white pattern and also just white here. So these are already baked. Now I'm going to show you how I put these eye pins by gluing it. So take a loop and then just add some glue onto it. Wherever you want to put the head pin or the eye pin, and then just insert it. So that's it. Just hold on until it dries up, and then you will add these back part of the earring to it, and that's it. We are done. So these are some of the pairs that I'm going to show you that I have previously made. Look how beautiful these look. You can leave it like this to get the matte finish, or you can add some polish to it to get the shiny finish. So these are the different patterns that I have made. You can choose whatever color you want and however you want to add the colors. So purple and the white ones. So as we all know that the hoop earrings are the current trending ones. Hope you all enjoyed this tutorial.